Good morning, sir. My name is Jagadiswaran Sukumaran, and this is my teammates Vikash Ravindran, Mohammad Iqbal Fahmi bin J. Muhammad, Kirtika Jayakumar, and Fendra. Today, we would like to present about the automobile industry in Malaysia. Our team chose the automobile industry in Malaysia is Proton, and we will attach further more information about Proton in upcoming slides. Now we are going to talk about the introduction of Proton. Proton established in 1983 as Malaysia's sole national budget car company, began manufacturing the budget Mitsubishi Motors products in the 1980s and the 1990s. In 2000, it produced the first indigenously designed and non-budget engineered car, elevating Malaysia to the 11th world country with this capability. Proton also changed its logo after the sales of Proton increased in Malaysia. After that, we are going to talk about the background and history of the Proton. The Malaysian National Car Project was initiated in 1979 to boost the automotive industry. Proton, a subsidiary of the government, invested in Mitsubishi Corporation in 1983, leading to the creation of the Proton Saga in 1985. The saga based on the 1983 Mitsubishi Lancer Fior was launched in 1985 and was a significant milestone in Malaysia's automotive industry. Despite facing challenges in meeting demand, Proton managed to capture a 64% market share by mid of 1986. The company also entered the UK market in 1989, setting a record for the fastest selling car ever to enter the UK. And then we are going to talk about the market structure of Proton. In Malaysia, the Proton market structure is an oligopoly with few firms dominating the market and controlling prices. This structure is between pure monopoly and monopolistic competition. The high demand for automobiles in Malaysia lead to a shortage of supply, with Proton and Produa being the dominant players. The oligopoly is characterized by the interdependence, non-price competition, barriers to entry, and group behavior.
Hi, my name is Vikash, bearing metric number MC240126363. And today I'll be talking to you about the overview of Malaysian automobile sector and the characteristics of Proton Holdings Sdn Bhd. Annually, our country produces approximately 600,000 vehicles on average, which includes a variety of automobiles ranging from passenger cars to commercial vehicles. The industry is supported by a network of 27 automobile companies, each contributing to the diverse landscape of vehicles available in the Malaysian market. Malaysia holds a notable position on the global stage in terms of automobile production. It is the 23rd largest automobile producer worldwide, showcasing its significance in the global automotive market. Now, the industry generates an impressive 40 billion ringgit annually, making it a significant contributor to the country's economy. These 40 billion ringgit amounts to approximately 4% of Malaysian GDP. Now, let's take a look at the local Malaysian automobile players. The industry is primarily segmented into two categories: commercial use and luxury vehicles. In the commercial use, we have Proton Holdings Sdn Bhd, commonly known as Proton. Secondly, we have Produa, and in the luxury segment, we have Bufori Motor Car Company Malaysia Sdn Bhd, or oftenly referred to as Bufori. Next, we'll explore the trajectory of vehicle registrations in Malaysia over the past decade. In 2010, Malaysia witnessed a total of 605,156 registered vehicles, representing the starting point of our analysis. Fast forward to 2023. We observe a significant increase in registered vehicles. The number surged to 799,731 vehicles within the year of 2023, indicating a substantial growth in vehicle registrations over the years, resulting in 32% growth in demand and supply. Now, we'll speak about the characteristics of Proton Holdings Sdn Bhd. So, Proton Holdings Sdn Bhd, or commonly known as Proton, is a leading automotive manufacturer in Malaysia, with a legacy dating back to its establishment in 1983. Proton has solidified its position as a symbol of national pride and innovation in the automotive sector. Proton boasts an extensive network of 188 outlets nationwide, ensuring widespread accessibility to its products and services across Malaysia. This expansive presence underscores Proton's commitment to catering to the needs of Malaysian consumers from various regions. Beyond its domestic market, Proton operates in 20 countries worldwide, showcasing its international footprint and ambition to establish itself as a global automotive player. So, Proton stands out in the automotive landscape in Malaysia due to its special characteristics, such as having a wide range of models, wide pricing ranges, high product quality, advanced technology, and international collaboration with companies such as Geely. The business segments of Proton is divided into three segments, which is manufacturing of vehicles, sales of vehicles, and also after sales, or more commonly known as servicing. The vehicles produced are categorized into three different categories, which are sedan, SUVs, and hatchbacks. So currently in 2024, there is 7 models that are in the market, and there has been 17 previous models which has been discontinued. In the year 2014, Proton has recorded a sales of 70,000 units, representing the baseline for our analysis today. Over the subsequent years, Proton experienced a notable increase in sales, reaching 154,000 units in the year 2023. Or in other words, Proton has witnessed a 120% increase in overall sales. That'll be all. Thank you. Next, we'll go to the barriers to entry in the Malaysian automobile industry. Mainly, we have high initial capital requirement. So establishing a presence in the Malaysian automobile industry basically requires a significant initial investment. This is to set up manufacturing facility, to improve on technology, research and development, and to hire skilled labor. Secondly, we have regulatory compliance and standards. So according to MAA, Malaysian Automotive Association, the regulatory requirements and standards, including safety, emission, and vehicle testing regulations, has to be complied and to pass. Thirdly, we have strong competition from established players with high brand quality. So the market is basically dominated by well-established global and domestic automotive manufacturers like Honda, Toyota, and so forth. Okay, manufacturers with strong brand recognition, and they have high reputation among the Malaysian consumers. So consumers would often prefer established brands due to the perceived reliability, safety, and performance, making it very challenging for new entrants to compete effectively on these fronts.
Hey everyone, I'm Tika here. Today I'll be discussing Proton's pricing power and how it impacts our business strategy. Let's dive in. As you can see on the first slide, Proton's pricing power is influenced by several key factors. Our strong brand reputation, broad product differentiation, and market demand all play a significant role in our ability to set and maintain prices for our vehicles. Moving on to the second slide, let's look at some example and analysis of our pricing power in action. Historically, Proton has adjusted prices in response to market conditions, while our loyal customer base continues to support us through repeat purchases and positive testimonials. When compared to our competitors, Proton's pricing strategy strikes a balance between affordability and quality, ensuring our competitiveness in the market. Looking ahead, we are anticipating future trends and investing in a strategic initiative to strengthen our market presence and remain competitive. Conclusion: Proton's pricing power is a crucial aspect for our business strategy, allowing us to effectively navigate market dynamics and deliver value to our customers. By leveraging our brand reputation, product differentiation, and market insights, we are well positioned to sustain power and drive continuous success in the automotive industry. Thank you.
Now we move to summary. The Proton's market structure can be classified as oligopolistic. The presence of a limited number of major firms, significant barriers to entry, and some degree of pricing power are key features of this market. The industry has evolved over the years with ongoing efforts to enhance competitiveness and meet global standards.